With a heavy storm hitting San Diego, residents in the Tijuana River Valley face flooding and serious health concerns from those contaminated floodwaters.
Our Jennifer Franco is in Imperial Beach tonight with a look at the steps being taken to lessen the storm's impact.
We closed it off so it should not leak into the office.
With rain on the way, Eileen Barnes is fortifying her family's property. They own Surfside Ranch in San Isidro, which floods every time it rains. So she's putting sand in box stalls where their 25 horses are kept to level the area and reduce puddles.
We don't want the mushy dirt because it makes it worse.
Barnes says normally they don't prep much, but after the January 2023 storm,
yeah, it changed everything. Everything was afloat. Basically, we were up to our waist in wastewater.
Aside from sandbags, she's also tarping a trailer to keep the horse food dry.
But if anything, we would actually evacuate. Our petting zoo animals would be the ones that we would take off the property first.
Flooding in the Tijuana River Valley is worsened by trash from Mexico that blocks drainage channels and causes the river to spill over.
So we get from furniture and mattresses to dead dogs and all in between.
Oscar Romo is project director at Alta Terra and designer of a trash boom set up across the Tijuana River Channel on the U.S. side. He's tracking the storm for its effect on local pollution.
3 weeks ago, we noticed that it rained for an hour and we got about 40 tons of trash.
He says half an inch of rain produces 20 to 30 tons of trash. So if the area gets as much as 2 to 4 inches of rain as predicted, that means hundreds of tons of trash. And while the trash boom is a major tool in the crisis, it can't stop all pollutants.
You can smell it, you can see it, and it continues going all the way to the ocean.
Amid efforts to address the crisis with or without rain, he says the U.S. needs to communicate more with Mexico to stop dumping.
And it's cheaper to do it there, and it makes sense to do it at the source instead of here.
Now, if you haven't gotten a chance to prep, there are sandbags available at different locations throughout San Diego County. We have a list on our website of those. You can check in to see which are still available. Because we're expecting rain throughout the weekend, you may still have time to do some prep. Reporting in Imperial Beach, I'm Jennifer Franco. Send it back to you.